Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on May 15, 2020. Currently Friday. It's 4:11, and we're looking at the SPY at the end of the day, and it kind of gradually climbed up here from its opening down momentum, sort of like yesterday. So I want to discuss this with you. Look at the end of the day. Okay, you had this move, then the move, the move, the move, the move, the move up. We have this move, the move, the move, the move, the move. These charts kind of look familiar, don't they? Boom and boom. So you had it down and then up. So it seems like it's like SPY is playing a chop fest. End of the day, beginning of the day, and then if you go to the end of the day, it kind of just made this nice move up. Some of the big stocks made moves at the end of the day. I believe Facebook made a move. Yeah, they made a nice climb up down like a 206 to 211. Nice trade between the 210. I was watching that on this candle here. But I was watching something else to take a trade on, so I didn't take that one. It's not that I would trade Facebook because it's just too crowded and not necessarily the stock I want to be trading. So let's go over what happened today. Today was a good day. Platforms running smooth, indicators running smooth. Wow, I have a little bug in it. I got to figure out what the developer. But overall, things were looking pretty hot. The stock of the day was definitely either ACB or SRNE. I did not trade SRNE. You can see this nice opening breakout on this candle right here. Just a nice move up here, and you can if you held on to it, you made a nice huge double move from 450 up to 9 potentially. I don't know if you caught all of that. There were some pullback plays along the way. Nothing crazy there, but I didn't trade it at all. How about that? But the guys I was with today in the trading room, there were a bunch of people taking trades on that. But this was the trade I was taking today, which is a cannabis company, ACB. On a 5-minute chart, you can't really tell, but on a 2-minute chart, we'll go to that. There's an opening range or red to green trade here. So this candle opened. I was watching this really close. I missed this particular trade. But then I saw this pullback here, and I was like, okay, I'm going to take the opening range breakout here. So it's the high candle here, which is like 892, I believe. Yeah, there's 892. And once it broke through, I got a nice move and took some off the table here without really looking back. I actually didn't come down to my entry at all. Had I held on, that's what I got to learn to do. If I could just put my stop right here, 892. And look what happened. It went all the way up to 10 here. Did not pull back. Just kept climbing and climbing later in the afternoon. This is a nice. Then we hit 1188. I did take another trade here at the 1050 or 1150 break, which worked out really nice. These are actually 2-minute candles. Let's go back to 5 minutes. This trade here, which is the 1150 break, and I traded that. Got some points out. Not points, but I got some pennies out of that one, which was nice. And of course, I traded Tesla today. Tesla was kind of chopped around. I had a couple failed trades. The one that worked was the break at this level here on this particular. No, it was the break of this candle on this move up, and I sold some into there, and that was a nice little trade. But I did get a pullback trade. I think it was around 10. I don't remember. I think it was this one here. Pullback trade, and no, it was over here. I took a pullback trade over here, and I had a nice gain on that one. But it didn't really sit up again. I did try to take a break of this level here, the 805 or 804 level I was looking at. Went 3 cents and then turned around, and I got flushed out. So I took a stop on that. End of the day, and it just didn't. It tried to make a moves, but it just was getting beat up. So I think it was just not the momentum for the day for Tesla. Plus, it was down on the day. I did take a Beyond pullback trade early on because Beyond likes to do this. It likes to open flat and then make a run at the beginning of the day and then drop off. So it made this drop off down to this level here, this MA. I took a long trade, and actually it went to 39. I only got out with like 40 cents because me, I'm quick to get out and don't let the things work in my favor. But that pretty much covers my good trades today. I was up $201, which is pretty damn good, I think. And I ended the week on the green side after a bad day on Thursday last week. I recovered nicely for the rest of this week. Really taking a lot of good trades. And if I look at give me a second here. Looking at my trade manager in Trade Station, I had 16 winning trades today and 2 losing trades. So I believe I didn't take 16 trades, I don't think. I think what it does is it takes the scale outs I do. So I had 16 scale outs. So it's a percentage profitable of 88.89%, which is pretty good. Now I just need to learn to let those run a little bit more. And if it does go up, let's say, instead of taking 20 cents off the table, if I take 50 cents off the table, that's already almost a double, or more than double increase. But if it goes to 40 cents and I don't take my sale and I come back to break even, that's fine. I'll just have to settle with a break even trade. I need to take some off the table, but that's what's going to do it, is the scale out potential. I had a profit factor of 6.64, which is pretty good. At a gross profit of $236.38 and a gross loss of $35.63. So pretty solid trading if you ask me. And I'm just going to go into the weekend like that. So you guys enjoy it. Enjoy your weekend. Have a good one. This is Rich. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, and I'll get back to you. Have a good one.